morning everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk about cell, the fundamental unit of life. So the question comes, what is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. Or we can say that we all are made up of cell, and the cell is something which carry out activities that keep a living thing alive. Now, if we will talk about cell theory timeline, then we'll come to know in 1665, Robert Hooke was the first person who discovered the cell. And in 1674, Antony von Leeuwenhoek observed that the same cell is living only. And 1883, Robert Brown discovered that there is a nucleus in that cell. Now moving further, in 1835, Felix Dujardin discovered that there is a fluid content in that cell. In 1839, J. Perkins named that fluid that it is a protoplasm of cell. 1838, Matthias Kelden proposed that all plants are made up of cell. And in 1839, Theodor Schwann proposed that all animals are also made up of cells. 1845, Carl Heinrich Braun proposed that cell is the basic unit of our life. 1855, Rudolf Virchow proposed all cells arise from their pre-existing cells. So, cell theory is a collection of ideas and conclusions from many different scientists over the period of time that describes us about the cell and the operation of cells. So here we can find out three main points. The first one is all known living things are made up of one or more cells. Second, all living cells arise from pre-existing cells by their division. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all living organisms. Now, if we will divide according to the on the basis of cell, if we'll divide organism, so we'll come to know there are two types of organism. First one is unicellular organism. An organism that is made up of only one cell or single cell is called as unicellular organism. For example, Euglena, Paramecium, yeast, and the bacteria is also the best example for unicellular organism. Now, if we'll go to the multicellular organism, an organism that is made up of multiple cells or more than one cell is called as multicellular organism. For example, plants, animals, fungus, and we, human, we all are multicellular organism. Now, after that, if we want to check how cell looks like, so we have to find out under the microscope. So we can say there is a example of leaf cell and muscle cells, how they look like. Now we'll talk about the size of cell. Cells vary in different size, and the unit for measuring the cell is in micrometer. So the smallest cell is microplasma. The size is 0.1 micrometer. And the largest cell is ostrich egg. And the size is 18 centimeter. Now, if we talk about the cell in human, so there are the smallest cell in